Hi, my name is Drew Colthorpe. I am a software consultant and developer for Atomic Object. We make apps and websites for other people. So a lot of companies need an app or a website to do what they do for a living, and they don't necessarily know how to build it, so they hire us to do it. My background is in computer science and math. So in college, I specialized in writing computer code, and I also learned a lot about algebra and other math topics. At Atomic Object, we build apps and websites, which means a few different things. We need to, one, figure out what those apps and websites do and what problems they're meant to solve. Two, we write the code to make the apps do what they need to do in order to solve that problem. And three, we need to constantly be working with our customer to make sure that we're building the right thing for them and that we're not spending too much time on things that aren't important. On one project that I worked on at Atomic Object, we were building a game where people tried to guess how much a house would sell for. So this was, they'd be kind of looking at a house and seeing how many rooms it had, and then they'd kind of guess how much would that house cost to buy. So in this game, we wanted to give people points. So the closer that they got to the actual price of the house, the more points they would get. And so we wanted to reward people for getting close to the score, but we still wanted to give them points the further out they were. So we needed to design a function that would figure out how many points somebody should get based on how close they were to the actual guess. So what I did was pulled out my old algebra and pre-algebra skills and designed a polynomial or a function that would give somebody a score. So we used coefficients and exponents and created a function that would give people more points the closer they were to the right result and fewer points the further away from that result that they were.